Alright, this is going to be a video on how to replace your 6x9 speakers on a 2000 or a 96 to 2000 Honda Civic. This is the coupe. When you come back here, you'll see that you have speakers. These grills look like they might potentially be able to be removed. They can't. You should have the fold down seats. Probably need your key to go in this little keyhole here. You turn it to the right or left. Be able to fold your seats down. Alright, so basically this whole piece right here you're gonna have to remove to be able to get to your speakers. So we're gonna do the one side and then the other as far as folding the seats down. Alright, so right now we got both seats folded down. You're gonna have this little plastic bit right here. This is what we're gonna attempt to remove. Alright, so you're gonna have these three anchors probably. These three anchors you need to remove. Underneath those three anchors there will be a 12mm bolt. So you're gonna need a wrench. You're not gonna be able to get a socket in on those back ones. We're gonna go ahead and try and pry those up now. Alright, as you can see, 12mm. We're gonna repeat that 2 more times. Alright, as you can see, we got those 3 covers off for the child seat latches. Just need to remove the bolts. Alright, the piece that you remove, this is what it's going to look like. It's got a few washers, like a lock washer, a little isolator on it that lets it spin. You're going to remove this. And you're going to be left with this hole right here. That's what you want to see. Alright, so here we are. We got all 3 removed. What's left? Alright. See this lock right here? This little trim piece? Gotta pop that out. Alright, so here's the trim piece. You just use a flathead screwdriver, you pry that up. And if you have one of those bullshit alarms that times out, yeah, you might want to unplug that. But either way, there we go. That's what you're left with. Alright. Alright, so next thing you want to do, get yourself a pair of pliers. You're going to want to climb up into the back here. Alright, and anywhere that you see these little guys right here, you're going to want to find all them, squeeze all them, and that's going to release that top part. All you need is just to squeeze around the edges and let it push up in there, and you should be good to go. Alright, once you got the umpteen of these little damn screws attached, you got to try and grab this whole thing right here, and you're going to pull up on it. And hopefully it'll pop up all over the place. But we'll see. That's all we can do. Well, obviously I can't do this with the camera in my hand, so. Alright, so your side pieces here, you're going to have to pull those off. There's a little trim lock piece right there. You got to pull that up and away. You're going to have to manhandle a little bit. Then you're going to try and get in right here. Well, here's your little things, your little locky lock things. I obviously have some more back here in the back that I have to find. Just as of note, this is your third brake light here. Make sure to remove this clip here, which has this little safety release here on the side. that's how it releases. Yeah, that'll help you removing this. But either way, so here we are at the speakers. They're only 23 years old at this point, being that this is a 2000. They've seen some better years. Alrighty. That's what the whole bottom looks like. Alrighty. Once again, here's a little overview. Seat belts, you're going to have to make sure to get them out of the way. There's a little slot in the groove in the plastic. Alright, well, that's about what you're looking at. Have a good day.